Okay. In this video, for class 5th, I am teaching perimeter and area. Now that day, in that video, we have solved from problem set question 1. Let us try to solve question number 2. Here, in this question, it is given if the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? So what is given? Let us write down. Length is 20 meter and width means width is 12 meter. And we have to find out the length of what is its perimeter. So it is so simple that we have to use perimeter formula. That day we have seen perimeter formula for rectangle. So it is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So we will write now the values. 2 into length is given 20 meter plus breadth, that is 12. Let us solve first bracket. So it is 20 plus 12, that is 32. And now multiply it by 2. So we use 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So perimeter will be 64 meter. Because perimeter is only the boundary length, that is addition of all, the sum of all sides. So whatever is the unit of length and breadth given, that only unit will be in perimeter. Let us solve next sum. That is question 3 of this problem set. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. You have seen in earlier classes that square is a closed figure having all sides equal. So perimeter of square, sum of all sides. So it is 4 into side because it is having 4 sides. Now what is the length of side given? That is side equal to 9 meter. As it is having all 4 sides equal, so we will write in the formula, that is perimeter equal to 4 into 9. So 4 into 9 means it is 36, and unit of perimeter will be meter only, as it is, as sides is given in meter. Now question 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Here also we have to find out perimeter, and perimeter means it will be 1 round, but here it is given 4 rounds, and the distance we will calculate first in meter and then we have to convert into kilometer. So okay, in next class we will see this question. In this class 6th we'll see lesson number 14, banks and simple interest. Now here some bank terms, or in general mathematical or these terms related to bank we have to see. That is, first is interest, then principal, then rate of interest, rate of interest, and time period. So whenever we are keeping money in bank, or we are borrowing money from any financial institute or anybody, they charge us interest. They charge us the money, on money we have to pay some more money, that is called as interest. So an amount paid for using money borrowed. Is the interest. Principal, it is borrowed some money from bank, that is called as principal. And rate of interest means it is charged per cent means 100 rupees, and per annum means per year. So yearly you have to give that extra money for the borrowed money. So in short, it is written as PCPA, percent per annum, that is per 100 rupees and per year. So that is PCPA. And time period, borrowed money some time. You see this money time in year. That is the time period. Here we are going to see per annum only, means time period is a year only. So these terms we have to understand: interest, principal, rate of interest, and time period. So you can note down what are those. Interest is an amount paid for using money borrowed. Principal is borrowed, whatever is money, whatever the money borrowed, some money from bank or any financial institute. And rate of interest, it is charged per cent per annum, and time period for which we have borrowed money. So these are the terms we have to see. So now we will see some example based on it. Now we will solve practice set 35 on page number 76. First question is like this. At a rate of 10 PCPA, what would be the interest for 1 year? 1 year on rupees 6,000. So here rate is given as 10 PCPA and time is 1 year and principal amount it is 6,000. So let us try to solve the question. So let x be interest on rupees 6,000. That we have to find out. We will take it as x, and we have given 10 PCPA rate. That means on 100, and given is given on principal rupees 100. The interest is rupees 10. Now let us solve. We will take ratio as x, that is interest to principal. X was on rupees 6,000, so x upon 6,000 equal to 10 upon 100, and then by cross multiplying x into 100 equal to 10 into 6,000. So x will be equal to 10 into 6,000 upon 100. This get cancelled, and we have 60 into 10, that is 10 into 60, that is 600. So answer is rupees 600 is the interest for 1 year. Is the interest for 1 year. So simple method we are using, that is taking ratio of interest to principal. In first case we have taken it as x, so x is interest, x upon 6,000. That time 6,000 was the principal. In whatever is given, with this 10 PCPA, we have done 10 upon 100, means 10 is the interest and principal is 100. So like this we have, by cross multiplying, we have got this answer. Now next sum we will see in next class.